So we have the members of Gurgaon Road Runners. So how is this, women 10K run?
Today we participated in Women 10K run.
Yeah.
Now this was a very good run that we all looking forward to kickstart the Women's Day, International Women's Day celebrations. So we all cracked it. We were almost about 67 of us from our group and all women. So we run the group. This is Gurgaon Road Runners, which has it is like 2/3 are women. So it's just fun for us.
Wow, that's amazing. So Shruti, I want you to motivate, the women who were, while you were running, they were all sitting at their homes or, doing some stuff at their homes. Please motivate them, say a few words to motivate them so that they can also come, step forward to run.
So the thing is, most women put themselves last. They will put their family first, they'll put their work first, they'll put their kids first. But we need to understand that only if we are healthy, we are fit, we can promote that in our family, we can promote that with our kids. So no matter how important a job you're doing at home, it's very important to come out and spend that 1.5 hours on yourself for your fitness. And events like this are a great opportunity to do that. And then Gurgaon Road Runners is a phenomenal group. When I joined, we were about 50 of us, and now we are about 2,000 to 3,000 of us, right? So that there are about 2,000 to 3,000 of us, and out of that, 2,000 of us are women. So that's the power of a group. That's the power of motivating each other and inspiring each other. So just put everything aside, put yourself first, take out that time. It's the most amazing feeling.
That's actually an amazing spirit of women. So Siddharth, tell us about the junior run.
So a little bit about Gurgaon Road Runners first, then we'll get on to Junior Run. So the Junior Run is come from Gurgaon Road Runners. So Gurgaon Road Runners, we call it as GRR, and it's a 3 years old brand, and the whole concept of this group is promoting fitness. So we are not here to become athletes, and we will never become one, but we are all runners. And people normally say that I am not a runner. So what is the definition of a runner? A runner is somebody who runs.
Yeah.
And in fact, today I heard a lot of women while running saying that this is the first time I am running.
Yeah.
I don't agree that, because we all were running in our teens.
Yeah.
We stopped running and then we started running again.
Yeah.
So if you can say that I've started running again, I would agree to that, but I would never agree to the fact that I'm running for the first time. Because we were all active runners. When we were born to run.
Yeah.
We normally used to run first and then walk. You would see that it's also that, so that running is always in us. After our teens, when we got into the work habits and we got into the sedentary lifestyle and making our millions, we forgot running. So we all were runners. We will all become runners. So the distance 10K is the same for you. The 10K is the same for me. You might do it in 50 minutes. I might do it in 70 minutes.
Yeah.
So what difference does it make? So and events like this, Women's 10K, is a great initiative where people would come out and do a little bit of running, or at least, the victory is if you reach the start line at 7:30 on a Sunday, which means that you woke up at 5, you are done. Your life is sorted. That's the victory. You come here and you walk or you run or you crawl, you run slow, you run fast, that's secondary. The first step is that you woke up at 5 on a Sunday, which means you did not party last night.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Absolutely.
So that's a win-win situation.
Yeah.
Your lifestyle is changing.
Absolutely.
So that's the whole concept GRR is focusing.
Wow, that's really amazing.
So that's what we really look forward to, that changing of lifestyle, getting up early on a Sunday morning, sleeping on a Saturday early, having khichdi, dal, chawal, whatever, rather than having your pizzas. So that's a change of lifestyle. So that's a bigger umbrella. That's a holistic approach to fitness, what we are promoting. Junior Run is a multi-city running event for children, which we have launched. We are the pioneers in that, which we are doing it multi-city in this country. We have already done one in Gurgaon. The next event coming up is in Jaipur on 24th April. And so, again, the logic here is tap them when they are young, not wake up when they are 35. Wake them up now. This is the time. We woke up late. So if we woke up late, why shouldn't we tell them to wake up now? The first barrier the children have is not from the child, it's from the parent.
Absolutely.
You tell the child to reach at 6, the father and the mother first says, सुबह 6 बजे Sunday को क्या एक भागने जाना है road पे? So see the barrier. The barrier is coming from the parents. So who needs to change? The child or the parent?
Parents.
The parents. The grooming required is for the parents, not for the child. So that's the whole concept. So you have to give them opportunities. Suddenly you can't expect miracles happening. So you have to give them a platform. Come, run, be fit. Fit kid is a healthy adult. That's the whole concept. You give them a platform, parents will move. The move will be slow. It will take time. Anything good takes time, but it will happen. Thank you.
Yeah, Sudhir, you please, you also tell us something about, women 10K. Sorry.
Women 10K. Okay, Women 10K, as you know, the GRR was participating, and Avani told something like 67 people, women, I think they ran today from GRR banner. But there were a lot of guys as well coming out and supporting, and they were helping, especially the last mile, women to complete in grace. And as Siddharth has explained about the junior run, which is indeed a very good step towards the fitness of kids. And the GRR, especially I would like to say, is because of 2,000 women under the folds of GRR, what Siddharth perceives is a fit woman will lead to a fit family.